little kitty cats have some kitten biscuits. As you can see, they're very excited to be fed. And a pouch. They have one pouch to start with, and then about an hour later they'll have another one. It's all kitten stuff because they're still kittens. But yeah, very excited. And then they have some biscuits. Felix's. This is their biscuits as well. We normally give more biscuits later on during the day. Bruno's getting jealous as he wants some biscuits, don't you? You want biscuits? You and your food. Bruno has already been fed, so I'm only going to give him some biscuits. He's already been fed. We normally give him a Win-A-Lot tin. And sometimes some other treats like chicken and other stuff like that. You might ask why we've got his water bowl in a litter tray. It's because when he drinks it, he spills it all everywhere. He's very messy when he drinks and eats. And as you can see, the cats do try and steal his food, but we do have to take them away, as it is unfair on Bruno when they do eat his food. We don't want them eating his food. Now it's time for the fish to be fed. I give him tropical flake food. About a pinch of this. And I give Tetra Mini Baby, as there are many babies which I'll show you in a minute. So I use a teaspoon and just get a tiny little bit on the end. Now it's time to feed my hamster. So I do have a bowl in there, but I normally just scatter feed as it gives him something to do. So I normally just get a spoonful and then throw it in. And you can get it himself. And I also put some of these nugget things in. And I don't give too much of them because they're very good ones. I'll just chuck them in.
is in the bag, or stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black.